I've traded live like around 1 hour and hit around like $1,000 of profit. How I did it, how I saw the trade and find my right entry, all these things you will see in this video. So check the video to the end so you will not miss any of these points. All in all, if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then I would say, let's go. So guys, it's time for live trading today, and before we start with the first link in the video description, you can come to my Trading Team VIP group. There I will share all my trades, all my personal trades, my investments, everything just around the topic of trading. So if you want to be a member, check out the first link in the video description. Next to this, you have a free trial for 7 days, so you can use this group 7 days for free. You can earn profits with my trades and all for free. So check it out with the first link in the video description. So guys, it's now time for the first trade. And as you can see, the chart is coming here to my support box where I want to enter in a long trade. So I would say, let's switch to the broker. So guys, you can see I'm already here in the trade. My take profit and stop loss already set. So I would say, because there's a lot of volatility here, we will check out this trade right now together. And I would say, see you back later, guys. So guys, that's crazy. We are like around $500 in profit right now. And what I did now is to like move my stop loss already to the profit area and yeah, like fix my take profit to this level, because I think we will reach this level right now. So I would say, let's go on with the trade. So guys, it's take profit time. In this trade, we just did around like $600 of profit, what is very, very nice here on this point. So I would say, let's switch back to TradingView and take focus how we came to this trade. So what we do now here first is to go to the 1 hour chart. And if we focus here on this trade, we can see that we are like clearly coming here from this like down movement trend. And because of this, we also see that here in this area, we had like a big like consolidation period where it's like a lot of like liquidity. And this is like our first step why we want to move and like this area to a new long trade. Yeah, like just for example, you can see that there are like a lot of support and resistance levels. That means that a level where the chart has like a often or like a higher percentage of like against movement, and these are the levels I want to focus here. So for example, here on this level, you can see that we had like a movement also, yeah, but after we break this level right now, I was like focusing for the next level, and this level I can see here on this time period. So this is why I focused here. Okay, I want to enter here in a long trade. So, and that was the time where I switched to the 5-minute time frame and yeah, like take a look, okay, where we had movement again, where we react already in this chart, and there I wanted to enter a long trade. And as you saw guys, this worked perfectly, so around $600 of profit. It's very amazing. So I would say I will focus now for the next trade, and then I see you back later, guys. So guys, I found a new trade here, because as you can see, we built here like a dynamic resistant area where I want to enter here in a like risky scalping short trade. So as you can see, I'm already here in the trade, take profit and stop loss already set again. So I would say, let's go on with this trade, and then I will see you back later, guys. Crazy guys, it's again take profit time, and we did like with this trade around $300 of profit. So all in all, we are like close to 1K of profit. All in all, guys, that's it for today's live trading session. As I told you in the beginning, guys, with the first link in the video description, there you will find my VIP group. It's with like all my trades, it's like daily market updates, it's my investments, it's like, yeah, like exclusive calls I make with my community there. So if you want to check out, go with the first link in the video description. You have a 7 days free trial period where you can check it out for free. So I would lovely to see you there. And I would say that's it for today. If you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then I would say goodbye.